Hello, I'm Georgiana Mirea, and we are going to talk about the superpowers that product managers need in the era of AI. At American Express, I pioneered mobile payments by building Amex Go, a virtual payment solution for the US and Australia. It exceeded enrollment targets by 50%, and competitors launched similar solutions only several years later. Facebook thanked our CEO for investing in Amex Go, saying it proved Amex truly listened to their needs. Amex CEO also highlighted in a quarterly stakeholder meeting as an example of industry-leading innovation. Currently, as founder of Miranova Product Innovation, I advise ventures, including AI startups, on product strategy and innovation. In my career, my focus has always been on implementing emerging technologies at scale for both high-growth startups and Fortune 100 companies such as GEICO, American Express, Northwestern Mutual, or Nokia. My experience in building cutting-edge products and businesses shaped how I think about product management. And now, with AI in the mix, the game is changing again. AI is reshaping dramatically the product role, making it even more exciting than it is now. However, product managers who don't embrace AI will become obsolete soon. Not tomorrow, not in a year, but soon. Those who master AI will excel because AI amplifies strengths and addresses weaknesses. AI will augment product managers by helping them to streamline or even automate some of their tasks, allowing them to focus on what matters most, solving user problems and driving innovation. AI will empower product managers. It will free up time to focus on product managers really need to do and often do not have time to think. To thrive in this new AI world, product managers need to develop new skills and deepen some of the ones that they already have. These skills are in addition to the ones already required to be a strong product manager. So let's dive into what skills product managers need to acquire or deepen. They definitely need new technical skills. First, they need to understand AI, meaning AI fluency, working knowledge of ML fundamentals, algorithms, training data, LLMs, neural networks. It includes their strengths, limitations, and use cases. Data depth, understanding of data infrastructure, how data is collected, stored, processed, and analyzed. And this includes privacy, ethics, risks, and regulatory compliance. Once they understand AI, PMs need to know how to build with AI. So product managers need to master AI tools. AI can transform core product workflows across the product lifecycles. Product managers can leverage a range of tools to enhance their work, from idea validations to go-to-market. Using low-code tools like Bolt, Lovable, V0, or Replit for rapid prototyping, called vibe coding, is becoming essential for product managers. Building quickly prototypes enable fast build, test, iterate cycles. For example, it helps express ideas more effectively or speed up discovery. Another skill is agent orchestration, delegating to and managing AI agents, guiding, coordinating, and orchestrating their actions. Product managers need to understand how to chain tools, for example, Zapier agents, Lindy, so an AI system can plan, act, and self-critique. If PMs build AI products, they need to know how to evaluate AI, which means they need to have AI judgments. And the only way to develop AI judgment is to use AI extensively. Know when to trust outputs and when to verify. Recognize hallucinations and limitations. Establish verification protocols for high-stakes situations and balance speed with accuracy. Developing the ability to design and interpret evaluation frameworks, evals, is a must in order to monitor performance, safety, and alignment with business goals. AI products are dynamic and evolve with usage and data. So building feedback loops with human oversight, human in the loop, is critical. What if you don't have access to AI tools or access is limited? Use whatever is available and advocate for more. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Experiment with the tools your company provides and supplement with personal projects. When AI tools are eventually introduced at your workplace, you'll already be ahead of the curve and ready to put them to work immediately. In addition to technical skills, product managers need to deepen uniquely human skills. AI can automate tasks and improve efficiency, but product management is much more than that. It's about understanding human needs and behavior, defining the right problems, and making strategic decisions. AI won't replace the human touch. So let's talk about three aspects: sense and decide, empathize and influence, and most importantly, learn and adapt. First, in terms of sensing and deciding, AI lacks true product vision and the ability to navigate ambiguity the way humans do. Product managers provide direction and guide teams through uncertainty, things AI simply isn't equipped to handle for now. It also can't see the bigger picture, balance competing priorities, or grasp the nuances, trade-offs, and risks. Second, let's talk about empathy and influence. AI can't replace human judgment, intuition, or most importantly, empathy. For example, recognizing when users say they want one thing, but actually need something else. It also can build relationships or earn stakeholder trust. In addition, it can replace product managers to motivate teams or the dynamics of an organization. Third, I think learning and adapting is key. Mastering the skill of learning itself is essential. The landscape changes so quickly that what you learn today may be outdated tomorrow. Success depends on cultivating an adaptable mindset and using the right tools to support continuous learning and experimentation. This includes building a strong network, joining communities, leveraging AI tools and courses, and most importantly, learning through hands-on experience. So, in conclusion, product managers who thrive in the AI era are the ones who decide where and why to apply AI, bring clarity of purpose, and focus teams on solving meaningful problems. The capabilities product managers need to deepen are critical thinking, strategic and creative vision, clear communication, cross-functional influence, and of course, strong product sense. Let's talk about common pitfalls. The most common mistake I have seen is not understanding the differences between building AI-powered products versus traditional software. Core product management methodologies still apply, but AI adds its own twist at every step, starting with the technology, not the problem. AI is often treated as a technology in search of a problem. Always start with the problem and try solving it without AI first. The key question isn't how can we use AI, but what meaningful problem can AI uniquely solve, and does it make financial sense? Chasing generative AI. Don't focus on it because it's trendy. Traditional machine learning or even predictive analytics might solve your problem better and more efficiently, not focusing on data. We often think of AI as magic, but the real magic is in the data. AI effectiveness depends on the availability and the quality of data. So ensure your data infrastructure is robust, including privacy and security. in properly managing expectations. Sometimes there is a disconnect between the hype that surrounds AI and the reality of what can actually deliver. Be clear about what AI can and cannot do. If you are using probabilistic AI, be upfront about uncertainty and variability in outcomes, not iterating continuously. AI systems aren't set it and forget it. As data grows and user behavior changes, product leaders must treat AI as continuously evolving systems because they require much more iterations than traditional software. Skipping evaluation. Set up continuous evaluation frameworks from the start to monitor performance, safety, and alignment with business goals. Incorporate human judgment, human in the loop, to ensure reliability and build trust. Underestimating ethical consideration. Address potential biases proactively and engage diverse teams throughout the development process to create inclusive and responsible AI solutions. Avoiding these common traps is what sets apart product leaders who build real impact with AI from those who just ride the hype. Let's make this real. Take 2 hours with your team this week. First, list recurring tasks across your product lifecycle, from discovery to launch to growth. Then, for each task, mark AI leverage or human only. Pick one AI leverageable task with most upside and commit to one small experiment in the next 7 days. Here are a few experiment ideas to get started. Rapid prototyping. Spin up a clickable prototype using a no-code, low-code tool like Bolt or Replit to validate a new idea. Roadmap sanity check. Ask an LLM to estimate effort or impact for upcoming features and compare against team estimates. Onboarding uplift. A/B test an AI-generated welcome message versus your current version. User insight mining. Feed recent interviews or support chats into an LLM to surface the top unmet needs. To wrap our discussion, the conclusion is that the future belongs to product managers who know how to use AI to augment themselves and scale their impact while staying focused on the human side of product leadership. The next wave of best AI PMs are those who can navigate the technical, ethical, and human complexities of building AI products and who continuously learn and adapt as the field evolves. With AI here, this is one of the most exciting times to be in product management. We have real opportunities to make impact, shape the future, and have a lot of fun along the way. So lead the way and shape what comes next.